I know you are here because of the title of this video, or you may be attracted to the thumbnail, the cover image of this video. I want to let you know that this is very effective. Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to look younger. A basic ingredients that you can mix together to make you achieve more youthful skin. This remedy is for any age, no matter the age you are. This treatment can actually make you to look far younger than your age. Consider subscribing if you love beauty treatments like this, using natural ingredients you can find in the kitchen to achieve a younger, firmer skin. Also like this video and share this video. Let's go. So for those that will see the image of this cover saying that, oh, this is not the person, I want to let you know that this is an anti-aging remedy, meaning that it's just to show you that this remedy will help to make you look far younger no matter the age you are. Like if you are 90, it will reduce your age, like with consistency. Of course, you have to be consistent to see that perfect result. If you are 80, it will reduce your age. If you are 70, if you are 60, if you are 50, if you are 20, it will delay your aging process. Like it will make you hard to develop wrinkles. There are some people that in their 20s they have started having some sagginess, wrinkles. It can be genetic. While some people, it can be misuse of drugs, like the way they take drugs, some consumption of drugs. So some people can be because of skincare products. Some skincare products can actually sag your skin, can actually make you, have a loose skin, develop wrinkles on time. So this remedy is just like a repair, restoring it back to normal. It's not as if I'm the person on the cover. I hope you understand now. So if you have watched my previous video, you will notice that I'm looking younger. Of course, just go and check my back. Like this channel is about 5 years plus now, like heading to 6 years old. So you should know that I am looking younger, fresh, supple, and that is because of making use of things like this. This work, you just have to bring out your time. You see it working. I just made this of some few ingredients here, and using them consistently, you must surely testify. So from the color of this, I made this of coffee. Some people will know that yes, I added coffee, and coffee smells so nice. Coffee is a very powerful anti-aging ingredient that helps greatly to supply your skin with enough nutrients. Make sure there are no makeups on your skin, no dirt, then apply coffee. You will notice a good result. Coffee is a powerful antioxidant that helps to firm the skin. It fights free radical damage that makes you age faster. It also helps to exfoliate your skin to get rid of dead skin cells. Coffee also helps to repair the skin. If you have skin disorders like blemishes, it makes your skin uniform. Coffee is a whole lot, like you will love it. I made this of sugar as well. This is white sugar. You can make this of brown sugar. Brown sugar is a little more mild than white sugar for those that have sensitive skin. So if you want to treat your face, I would advise you make use of brown sugar if you have sensitive skin. Then you can go with sugar, the white one, on your body. But if you don't have sensitive skin, just make use of any of them and you're all good. So sugar contains alpha hydroxy acid. Like I always say, I love this mild acid a lot, which is very good for the skin, helping to hydrate your skin. It supplies your skin with enough nutrients to keep your skin glowing, to get rid of dead skin cells. Like when there are no dead skin cells on your skin, you will notice that your skin will look so flawless, uniform. Your skin will look so new, and making skincare products to penetrate well and work better. So sugar will help greatly to do that, and also brighten your skin. For those that have a dull skin, you usually need this. In fact, try to get sugar, keep it in your house. Anytime you're making a mask, even if it's a little sugar, add it in there. Come and thank me later. So you can call this remedy a scrub, you can also call it a mask, but because of more of exfoliating ingredients, I'll call it a scrub. So here is egg. I added egg. So what we have here are two contents, egg whites and egg yolk mixed together. So if you want to make use of egg white, just separate the egg yolk from the egg white and get your egg white. So the egg yolk helps to supply the skin with enough hydration. It's very moisturizing, while the egg white is very firming. It helps to tighten your skin to get rid of wrinkles. The egg white is very important for getting rid of aging signs, and that is with consistency. Of course, you will not just apply it once and see result. No, with consistency, you see that, oh, those wrinkles are leaving your face, are leaving your skin. So in case you have a dry skin, severe dry skin, just mix the two together so that you benefit from the egg yolk. Alright, so the next one I added is this glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is very important and very good when it comes to healthy skin. So try to get vegetable glycerin, okay? There are different types. Glycerin helps to supply the skin with enough moisture, like helping to unify your complexion. It makes your skin smooth. It suits irritated skin. Like, if this is very important for those that have dry skin or normal skin. But if you have an oily skin, I would say go for other oils like sunflower oil, rosehip oil. These are gentle oils for those that have oily skin. So you can call glycerin an humectant, just like honey. Like, it gives your skin enough hydration. You love it, making it to look younger. So all these 4 ingredients I mentioned here are so super effective. All you have to do is just to bring out your time, prepare them, follow the instructions. You will never regret it. So the measurements, I added 2 tablespoons of coffee ground, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I opened the egg gently. I separated with a spoon. I removed the egg white. I transfer into the bowl. So like I said, if you have a dry skin, you can just pour everything into the bowl. So the next one is just few drops of glycerin. Like, I have an oily skin, so I didn't add so much glycerin. So you can just decide to add more depending on how your skin is. Okay, just few drops or half teaspoon is just needed. All right, so after that, it's time to mix thoroughly. Make sure you mix until they are uniform. If it's very watery, just increase your sugar, add more sugar so that it will be enough, you know, to form a paste like a scrub, and use it to exfoliate your skin. So if your treatment is thick, all you have to do is just to add more of liquid ingredients like rose water, or you can add glycerin to make it the way you want. So after that, you just have to remove all makeups. Wash your skin using a lukewarm water so that your pores will open up. So you have to clean your face to remove all makeups and this. Then you have to apply these treatments all over your skin. So even if you don't have wrinkles everywhere, you don't have fine lines everywhere, you don't want to firm everywhere, but it's very important for you to apply it everywhere. So I don't have wrinkles, but there was a time my skin was looking dry, my eye was looking sunky. You can watch my old videos, you will see how I look. I didn't look bad then, okay, but you will surely notice that my skin is looking supple. And when you make use of skincare products without nourishing your skin with the basic ingredients like this, natural ingredients, you will not notice a good result. I have skincare products. I'm going to be displaying it as I talk. Okay, I'll be displaying it on this side to show you, you know, very natural. Like, I use natural ingredients in making them. You will not have any side effect. Purely natural and effective for all skin types and complexion. Just contact through that WhatsApp and I'll give you the best. Okay, even if you have skincare products, you need to nourish your skin with this. I still make use of these things, okay, and that is because they are foundation to the skin. Treating your skin first. Before skincare products will start working for you, you need to treat your skin. So I'm just going to apply. I forgot to mention that coffee removes eye bags, wrinkles around your eyes. That is with consistency. But for the eye bag, you will notice results maybe the second or first use. Then if you have dark under eye circle, it helps as well. Like, it's very effective at removing dark under eye circle. There's no bleaching ingredient or anything lightening, just that it repairs. When your skin is repaired, anything imperfections like ununiform skin, it will remove it and balance your skin out and making your skin to look youthful, very well balanced. You will just love your skin. The result will be a flawless, natural, supple and well hydrated skin. All right, so anytime you are making use of treatment like this, please remember your neck and your face goes together. So I'm going to apply it on my neck as well. If you notice, my neck and my face are uniform. You will not like to have wrinkles on your neck while your face is not having wrinkles. That is not fair. It's not fair at all. So try to balance everything. As I'm applying it now, I'm noticing a tightening effect, and thanks to sugar and coffee ground, they are very firming. Also, egg whites, I forgot. So what is packed here are mainly firming ingredients. Like, just give it a trial and thank me later. Just prepare it yourself, okay? And you notice a good perfect result. So after applying this treatment, all you have to do is just to leave it on for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and you wash it out using a cool water. So in case you are in a very cool environment, like maybe winter, just use room temperature water to rinse it out. When it comes to firming or anti-aging, it's not good to use hot water all the time, okay? Just mix it. You can mix it with hot and cool, but do not let it to be so warm when you are rinsing it out. Remember, when you are washing it before applying this treatment, ensure that the water is lukewarm, like a warm water, so that your pores will open up to accept these ingredients to penetrate well. So after rinsing it out, you have to just apply a light moisturizer immediately. So if you don't have a good moisturizers, a good facial products, you can just apply sunflower oil, rosehip oil, or argan oil. There are some very good oils that are very nourishing and also preventing wrinkles. These oils are very packed with antioxidants as well as vitamin E, which is very important at nourishing and removing wrinkles and fine lines. So go on and apply this treatment. Any age you are, you will surely look far younger. Go on and prepare it and come and thank me later. Use this treatment 3 times weekly or every day. Very safe to use every day. If you see your skin looking so beautiful, flawless. You can also apply this treatment all over your skin to firm up. For those that have loose skin, like a fallen area here, I don't want to mention it, okay? You can apply it upwardly like this to firm it up. So if you want remedies like that, I have it on my channel, okay? How to firm bust. Or if you want a product, I have a very good oils and also remedies that will help to firm your area as a woman. We have the product. Contact through that WhatsApp and I'll give it to you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, also share this video, also like this video. I will see you in my next video. Check out this video as well, this one that you are seeing now. You will love it. See you later.